Madaling magsabing kasama ko si God. Pero pag may problema na, dun mo malalaman. Because if you will obey God, there you will understand. Mananahan si God sa atin. Kasama natin si God. Di ba ang sarap noon? Parang kahit ang dami mong problema, relax na relax kasi kasama mo si God who overcame the world. Pag sinabi mong living in God's presence, you are living according to His mission. Kasi sabi ng Bible, therefore make disciples of all nations, teaching them to observe all that I commanded you. Look at the promise. I am with you always, even to the end of the age. Maraming tao nagsasabi, I live in God's presence. Pero anong mission ang ina-accomplish natin? Hindi ko sinasabi, kailangan lahat tayong maging pastor. No. Wherever we are, we're full-time with God's presence. Tama? Mapa, nasa kusina ka, you're living with God's presence. Mapa sa opisina ka, mapa sa eskwelahan ka, you're living in God's presence. In other words, ang lahat ng utak mo, Lord, use my life that I will bring, Lord, people to be your follower. Yun ang reality na you're living according to His mission because you live living in His presence. Nabubuhay ka ba ayon sa mission ng Diyos? O nabubuhay kang konsumisyon sa Diyos? Huwag kang mag-alala, pag nakonsimitan ka si Lord, yari ka.